Good day. This clip would show how you can set up the FMT or frequency mask trigger under RTSA mode for your measurements. So on the screen right here, I have the Wi-Fi signal, which is at about 2.4 gigahertz. I'm currently in RTSA mode. If you're not, you could hit the mode and change it to RTSA spectrum. And I'm just going to change this to density spectrogram. So because the current setting by default under trigger is free run, it would just capture everything that's detected. So right now, I would like to go ahead and set up the frequency mask trigger. So it's right on the right, hit frequency mask trigger, hit edit, and there is a predefined mask that you could edit the frequency and amplitudes as you like, and even add or delete points as you go. For now, I would just like to leave it as it is. And I have a reference here to what's currently seen with the free run. And I'm just going to drag the signal up. So you can drag it up or down, left or right. So I'm just going to try push this a little to the left. And if you can see here on the screen, this signal here should trigger when it hits the upper limit of the mask. So I'm just going to close that um, and go back to the display, to the density spectrogram. So you should be able to notice this little trigger whenever the signal hits the upper limit of the mask. So it's a little slow because the signal is not always there. And it would slowly update the PBT diagram, which is now set to waterfall. Under this diagram here, you could always add a marker so you have some extra details. So what if I just want to edit my um, mask? If I just want to tweak this around, I can drag the signal back here. And because I dragged it away from the upper limits of the mask, you would notice this message where it says, I'm just waiting for a trigger. So if I hit away, it would just wait. And it's like I'm not seeing any signals because it's not triggering it. And hence what you notice. So I'm just going to hit a free run right now. And it's back here. So if I go back to FMT, you would see that mask again. So I can drag this up. And that should keep it triggering. So this here is the waterfall diagram of the density of the signals. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you have questions.